Boat race beginners. The boat race, with its drama, noise, speed and pitting of skills, is a competitive sport that originates in Japan. Recognised by the government, it's a public sport run by local authorities. First of all, let's explain the rules and how to get the most out of boat races. 6 boats vie for the lead, racing around the course for 3 laps in a counter-clockwise direction. Here is how the race works. A fanfare signals the 6 boats to leave their docks, and they circle the second turn marker and shortcut prevention buoy counterclockwise, vying for starting positions at low speed for about 60 seconds. 30 seconds before the start, most of the boats have decided their starting positions and pick up speed as they move towards the start line. The race commences using a unique flying start system. The boats must pass the start line when the clock is between 0 and 1 second. If a boat crosses the start line before the stadium clock reaches 0, it's classified as flying. If a boat crosses after the clock reaches 1 second, it's deemed to be late. Flying and late starts result in disqualification for the offending boats. Bets for disqualified boats will be refunded. After crossing the start line, the 6 boats pick up speed and round the first turn marker. This is the highlight of the competition, where the racers exhibit their skills and battle for first place. From here on, the 6 boats undertake a fierce 3-lap battle to reach the goal first. Let's talk about what happens leading up to the race and predicting the outcome. A practice run precedes the race. The practice run is comprised of a start exhibition and a lap exhibition. This simulation is indispensable for both racers and bettors in predicting the race. Although it is referred to as a practice run, the race is already underway. So, what exactly is a practice run? It's a chance for the racers to show the bettors how they expect to start and run the race. Because the inside lane is often advantageous in boat racing, when the racers leave the docks, they try to move at least 1 lane inside of their dock position or vie for the position where they feel most comfortable. After competing for their starting positions, the boats race towards the start line. Whether the racers have timed their start properly and whether they are in alignment at the start line is important for predicting the outcome of the race. After the initial exhibition, the 6 boats move on to the lap exhibition. The lap exhibition involves each boat making a lap and checking their engines, propellers and turns. This is also a chance for all of the boats to demonstrate their condition to the bettors. For example, whether or not they can turn smoothly at full speed, an important point for the bettors in determining who will win. Exhibition time refers to the time clocked on the back stretch of the second lap from the extension of the start line to the second turning marker 150 metres away. Once the lap exhibition is over, the time of each boat is announced. The race card distributed before the race is also an important source of information for predicting the outcome. The card includes each racer's name, colour, rank, winning percentage and other information. There are two important points about this data. Please take a look at the racer ranks in the Rank City column. A1 indicates the most highly skilled racer, followed by A2, B1 and B2. This is very useful in predicting the outcome of the race. The higher the figure in the winning percentage column, the stronger the racer is. The other information on the race card can also be useful, but these are the two most important points. Once you're ready to make a bet, let's see how you buy a betting ticket. There are 7 kinds of betting ticket, and for a boat race beginner, we recommend the Exacta and Quinella because they have a high rate of winning. An Exacta is where the bettor must pick the boats that finish first and second in the correct order. The probability of winning is 1 in 30. A Quinella is a bet on the first and second finishes. The bettor does not need to predict the order. The probability of winning is 1 in 15. Other tickets include the high dividend paying trifecta ticket. After the exhibition, the sale of the betting tickets commences. The betting tickets are on sale for 20 to 30 minutes. The deadline for purchase is indicated on the race card. Next, the odds tables are displayed on the stadium monitors. These detail the expected payout on the betting tickets. For example, if you had made an Exacta bet with boat number 3 in first place and boat number 1 in second place, the odds would be 4.5. If you were to bet 100 yen and won, you would expect to receive a payout of 450 yen. Check the odds of your bet in the odds tables. Next, let's look at how to fill in your betting card. You'll find betting cards all around the stadium. Please use them to fill in your predictions. First of all, mark the name of the stadium, Suminoe. Next, mark the race number you want to bet on. Then, mark the type of betting ticket you want to buy. Mark the boat numbers according to your prediction. Mark 2 boat numbers if you're betting on an Exacta or Quinella. Mark 3 if you're betting on a trifecta or trio. Mark the unit of money. For example, if you mark 5 and 100, you will be betting 500 yen. You can make up to 5 bets on one betting card. However, you can only make one type of bet on a single card. Once you've filled in your betting card, insert money into the vending machine. Next, insert your betting card. As long as you've not made a mistake on your betting card, you will be automatically issued a betting ticket. However, if you need change, press the Change button. You will need your betting ticket not only if you win, but also to claim refunds such as for flying or late starts. Make sure you keep your ticket safe until after the race. To claim winning payouts or refunds, just insert your ticket into a payment machine. Once you have your betting ticket, cheer on your racers! Good luck! At Boat Race Suminoe, there are many areas from where you can enjoy watching the races.